So if I start hoarding products here, there has to be a good reason for it. And with this product, it's definitely an advantage. I definitely don't want to get to the point where the products are no longer available because of a lack of raw materials, limited availability or whatever. I've stocked up with a 6th bottle by the washing machine. It's empty now, so I've restocked Innovacar's Micron shampoo, my top choice for microfiber and pad cleaning in 2024. This shampoo has amazed me with its price and consumption. I'm brand independent, so I can freely express my opinions. In terms of price and consumption, it's just a shampoo. It has completely blown me away. There are, and I'm completely brand independent, so I can talk about and say whatever I want. I can always express my opinion freely. There is also the ADBL and the new Storm shampoo, the Microstorm. There are also other really good detergents. You can see them here on the side, for example. Here is the Microwash Storm from ADBL. The predecessor Microwash was already really good. I also use them a bit simultaneously so that I can gather long-term feedback for you. Also the Dodo Juice, the Fury Liquid from Andreas, which he introduced to us here, is just top-notch. But I have to look at it from a slightly different perspective. I have tons of pads to clean, polishing pads, I have tons of cloths. Over there, the next mountain is already piling up because I'm making so many videos on this topic and I always use fresh cloths logically. And then a huge field of products builds up that I have to wash, along with wash mitts and all the washing videos and so on. So my washing frequency is much higher. And then a huge field products builds up that I have to wash, along with wash mitts and all the washing videos and so on. So my washing frequency is much higher. And that's why, for me personally, the Micron shampoo from Innovacar is simply my shampoo of choice because it completely meets my needs in this regard. I need a lot of shampoo for a low price with extremely good performance. And that's what the shampoo brings with it. I wash maybe once or twice a month. It's top notch for price performance. I have a high turnover with microfiber and pads. In terms of price performance, it's absolutely top notch. But I have a high turnover. I really have a high turnover. The microfiber stuff and also with the pads. That's why I needed to spend as little money as possible here. Massive performance and also very good consumption. And that's why I go for the Micron shampoo from Innovacar. And I have that here. You can see I've hoarded a bit. Maybe it will also be available in a 5-liter canister. Maybe it will already be available in a 5-liter canister and I just haven't seen it yet. Then it's definitely time for me to bring that home. But for now, I'm all set here. Here are 5 new fresh L bottles ready. Thank you very much for watching. I've got my laundry detergent highlight for 2024. You'll also see that here in the favorites lists in the December videos. But I just wanted to show you my highlight in the area of detergents for microfiber and polishing pads. And this is the Innovacar Micron shampoo. Until next time. Here you have a really good microfiber detergent for your car care products. Hi everyone.